guys, today I wanted to show you this scooter that we just received. These are all the parts that came in the box. It came with a manual that's super easy to read because it shows lots of pictures, so it should be easy to set up. So now we're going to show you us setting it up. So now we are putting in the mud guards and we just connected them and we're adding in the screws. Okay, so we just attached like the head and we added the screws on this side. Now my dad is moving this, and with this you can adjust how tall you want your stick to be. So we just finished setting it up. We added the brake and then it comes with a little box in here. There are two brakes. There is this one, and then in the back if you step on this, also right here, this is all nice, which is super good for grip on the scooter. And we're putting in the last few bolts. Once you press this, you can adjust to the different levels of height. There are 5 different ones and it's super easy. You just press down and then you move this. So over here you can open this to add batteries, which is for the lights right here, the headlights in the front if you're riding, if it's dark or something. And then there's also Bluetooth back here, as you can see. If you move it, you can have it to whatever you have connected. And if you move it to the other side, the scooter will automatically play music for you, like I guess random music, which we can't play for copyright. For the batteries, you need 3 AA's, but it's not included in the package. And lastly, this scooter is foldable. All you do is pull up the gray plastic and fold it down. It's super easy to store in the back of your car or wherever, and you could just pull it around on its wheels. So if you're looking for a scooter that's also super portable, then I would definitely recommend getting this one.